Let's see how to hide comments for track changes in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, for example, let's insert some comments into this document. So highlight your text, right click, and click on New Comment. Now let's do it again for this one. Now, to hide your comments, simply head on over to the Review tab. Now, up here, you'll see the option to select No Markup. And what that will do is that it will hide all the comments as well as the comment icons on this side. Now, you'll notice that currently there are no icons on this side. So this is different from, let's say, hiding comments by simply closing these bubbles on the side. So we can do that by clicking this icon right here. And what that will do is it will simply close all of those comments on the side while still showing them on this part right here. And it is also important to note that when you click on No Markup, it doesn't delete all the comments. Instead, it simply hides them completely. And that is how you can hide comments in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.